Hey there, friends, family, and neighbors. It's Mr. Rogers, your neighborhood car guy, here at McConnell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in beautiful Healdsburg, California, the heart of Sonoma County's wine country. We're Sonoma County's best kept secret, but today the secret is out because we have the 21 Ram 1500 TRX or T-Rex. It is the 6.2 supercharged. It is a whole lot of truck. Let's check it out.
Baby!
Hey, Benny, you better have your wood screws! Fuck you! I'm gonna blow your doors completely off!
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
The 21 Ram TRX comes equipped with a supercharged 6.2 Hemi V8 motor. It has 11.6 psi of maximum boost, low temperature circuit with 2 air coolant heater exchangers. It is only available as a 4x4 short box crew cab, full-time 4-wheel drive. Has a locking electric rear axle. You can submerge it into water up to 32 inches. The 6.2 supercharged Hemi has 702 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. It does the 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. It's the fastest, quickest, most powerful pickup on the market.
Wow, he's really fast, isn't he?
Yeah. It does the quarter mile in 12.7 seconds at 106 miles per hour.
I live my life a quarter mile at a time. Nothing else matters, not the mortgage, not the store, not my team and all their bullshit. For those 10 seconds or less, I'm free.
It has forged steel crankshaft with induction hardened bearing surfaces, high strength forged alloy pistons, premium grade heat treated aluminum alloy cylinder heads, die cast aluminum rocker covers, massive 92 millimeter throttle body. A high capacity oil air heat exchanger helps manage oil temperatures under harsher performance driving conditions. 2,380 cc rev blower, integrated charge coolers, integrated electric bypass valve. It has 11.6 psi of maximum boost. The TRX has specific grille with signature Ram lettering, bumpers, badging, tailgate, and bold RAM lettering finished with mic black. All new wide body box sides, fender flares, and functional air curtains. 8-inch wider body and 6-inch wider track versus the Rebel. All new integrated clearance lamps for the hood and fenders. Performance hood with functional air intake with two 12 by 8-inch air filters. Powder coated bumpers with new rear tow hooks and front skid plate. Blacked out premium LED projector headlamps. And it comes with the 18-inch wheels with massive Goodyear Territory 35-inch tires, exclusive Belstein Blackhawk E2 active dampening shock absorbers that recognize when the vehicle leaves the ground and adjust dampening while airborne. It has rock rails, 33-gallon fuel tank, forward collision warning, and pedestrian detection. It has 13-inch front and 14-inch rear suspension travel, 9 drive modes controlling shift, suspension, power, and torque. The Ram TRX will go from 60 to 0 miles per hour in 134 feet. That is due to the 15-inch 2-piece front brakes with inverted hat rotors for maximum outboard venting, are the largest in segment for half-ton pickups. It has launch control, performance, off-road pages with race options. There is towing, snow, dirt, mud, and custom.
Hey Charles, how you doing, buddy? Car looks great. I mean, really terrific. You're really keeping it up wonderfully. Dope.
so you can change the performance of the truck and change oversteer for when you're off-road. The center console armrest specifications plate has the powertrain, horsepower, boost, PSI, and VIN number.